Okay, I did something that happens to everybody occasionally. I don't know how it happened to me just now, but I actually glued the eye. And when you glue the eye, that is no bueno, because now your fly is useless. So I'm actually going to show you exactly what I do whenever this happens. I take a long piece of metal, or a bobby pin, whatever. Is that what these are called? I don't remember. I heat it up until it's red hot. Doesn't take too long. And then I just go ahead and stab it right through. And try not to breathe it in. And now you have a perfect hole where there once was none, and you can fish.